Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add a language on Shopify. Firstly, go to shopify.com and sign into your account. You'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. Look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard, then click on Settings to open the Settings menu. Now in the Settings menu, click on Languages and you'll see the list of languages currently active on your store. Just click the Add a Language button and from the drop-down list, select the language you want to add. Then click Add to confirm. If your store has multiple markets, you'll need to select the market before adding the language. And after adding, find your new language in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Publish to make that language live on your store. Now your store is multilingual and customers can browse in their preferred language. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.